I had to put the camera down quickly because I needed both hands to catch the drone for Scott. But I don't know if you guys would be interested in something like this. It's just dolphins. We've seen dolphins a million times, right? And it's funny too, it's the things we take for granted sometimes, right? Lots of people never see dolphins in the ocean, right? Like that boatload of them over there, but we're used to seeing them all the time. And where'd the dolphins go? So yeah, if you come to any of the islands, of course you can go out in these whale watching boats. Unfortunately, today all those folks are going to see, or have seen so far, are dolphins. But there are all kinds of these companies that can take you out when you come for a visit, if you haven't come in by boat, to see whales and dolphins and whatnot. And they actually have spotters on the shore, sitting there with binoculars looking for the dolphins and the whales, and they can actually have, there's direct communication between the spotters and the people piloting these vessels, and they'll say, okay, go to wherever, you'll see more dolphins or whales. So that's Gomera over there. We saw that earlier as we were coming in. And those two guys over there, those two boats are both heading in the same direction, so no doubt a spotter has seen something out there. Maybe it's just more dolphins. But this is definitely a migration route, so to speak, for all sorts of dolphins. And apparently the Cape Verdes, where we're going, the Cape Verdes will be our jumping off point to head across the Atlantic. But the Cape Verdes, apparently there's a group of sperm whales that actually live there all year round. Okay, that was it. I may not even post this one.